Hi everybody, it's Miss Foot Fixer here, and we have this very lovely young lady that's come here in regards to her nails. And what we can see is a lot of pigmentation in nails. Now these could be fungus, but it could be really just pigmentation because her skin is dark. But it's really these nails here that are really thick and discolored, which is a fungal nail, potentially a fungal nail infection. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut the nail back. We're going to clean everything out. So that's going to be really fun. And then we'll send the sample off, and then we'll treat accordingly. Just going to spray some antiseptic. So this nail is really lifted. So there's a lot of debris underneath there that could be potentially fungus. I'm going to put that in a bag there, send it off to your lab. So with this toenail, there's a lot of debris underneath this toenail. Do you want me to cut all the way back? It means that there's not a lot of toenail. The advantage of removing or cutting all the way back is to really remove all the fungus.
Okay.
Yeah.
Would it hurt?
It wouldn't hurt, but it would look a bit strange without much nail there.
Okay. But it's better to remove it.
It's better to clean it out. Yeah. Excellent. Fantastic. So we're just really going to clean this all out. So we can see there's loads and loads of debris there. So what we can see is there is a lot of debris underneath there that I suspect is fungal infection. So we're just going to clean that out. I'm going to use a drill for that. So you can see that the nails are getting lighter. The way is just pulling as much of the pigmentation off. lot healthier, doesn't it? Even without the nail there.
Mhm.
And that's the main thing. We want to make sure that you're infected free, okay? And then the secondary outcome for that nail would be a better looking nail. But this is a good start for your treatment, to be honest, cutting everything back. So we can see that this is